Hi everyone! Today we're going to make this beautiful box card. Okay, so making the box for this box card is very simple. You need to measure out 4 equal parts for the box and 1 little strip for adhering the box together. Here's what I mean. If you have letter-sized cardstock, you would score at 2, 4, 6 and 8 inches. And you would leave 1 inch strip for adhering your box together. If you're like me and you work with centimeters, you would score at 7, 14, 21 and 28 centimeters and leave 1 centimeter strip for adhering your box together. I also have trimmed off a little bit of the excess because my box would have been too big. So now I'm going to measure out the bottom part of my box. You will see me using my envelope as a guide, but I ended up not using it after all. The bottom part must be slightly bigger than the upper part, so the box part is going to be slightly bigger than the flaps of the box. To create box flaps, I just cut along the scoring line all the way to the middle, and I will also cut off the upper part of the strip that will help us to put our box together. And this is how my box will look like. From the bottom part that I have trimmed earlier, I will create 2 strips of paper that will hold my embellishments. So my strips will be 10 centimeters long, and that's 7 centimeters for the middle, and 1.5 and 1.5 centimeters for the flaps to adhere it in the middle of the box. So now we are ready with the box, let's get on with making our embellishments for this card. I will be using my powder tool to create a clean, non-staticky surface to emboss my image, and the image that I chose for this card is the crazy bird from Tim Holz collection. And I will use my WOW embossing powder that's clear and sparkly. And now you'll see me heat set it. For all the tools that I use, look at the description box below this video and you will find everything that you need for this card. I wanted to create a mirror image of this crazy bird, and I stamped it on a piece of vellum, and then I stamped that piece of vellum on my cardstock. Now this is a trick that I learned from Jennifer Maguire from Jennifer Maguire Ink, and I will link her down below. This technique works best with heat embossing. I have stamped my bird a couple of times, so I had a couple of images to choose from. So once everything is embossed and heat set, I will go ahead and color all my images. For my coloring, I love to use my watercolor pencils and my watercolor brush. As for the coloring, I am not doing anything extraordinary here, I'm just layering my colors from light to dark. So once I was done coloring and everything was dry, I chose these two bottom images, and now I'm going to cut them out. Once I'm satisfied with the result, I will adhere this to with a multi-medium that's matte from Ranger. And now I'm gluing this bird down to a skewer, also with multi-medium. For the rest of my embellishments, I will use this Happy and Smile clear stamp from Simon Says Stamp. And I chose the sun from it, it's so cute. I chose to stamp it with golden ink, and the other parts of it I will stamp with black color box ink. I wanted the sun to be nice and sparkly, so I also used my clear Wow sparkly embossing powder on it. And this is what it looked like. And now I'm just cutting it out. I have also stamped the glasses, but it somehow didn't work with this image and with the image that I wanted to create, so I ended up not using them. So I will also adhere the sun to a skewer with multi-medium. And this is what it looks like. For the sentiments of this card, I chose Happy Birthday and Smile, It's Your Birthday. I will also emboss and heat set them as I did with the other stamped images. Oh, and by the way, there's a fun Simon Says Stamp goodies giveaway running on my website. So if you want any details, visit craftmadesimple.com. Once everything is cut and glued to a skewer, I will make them prettier with embellishments such as ribbons and my trusty cute buttons. So these are the embellishments that I'm going to use. So before gluing everything together, I needed to make the box look pretty. So now you see me gluing down a panel that's going to be upright the whole time, so it's not going to be bent. If you're unsure about your measurements or anything at this point, make sure to visit my website craftmadesimple.com. I will put all the measurements there and all of my close-ups of this particular card. If you were wondering, this is the inside of our box. So once the box is standing upright, it will show all the flaps that I'm adhering right now. Once it's closed, it will be this blue color that's on the outside. So I couldn't leave the box just blue, and that's why I cut out and scored the panel that will go on the box part, and you see me adhering it right now. So once everything is glued and you're happy with the result, just adhere that little strip that I was talking about to the outer panel of your box, and voila, you have a box, easy as pie. And now for our embellishments. Do you know those two little panels that I was talking about earlier? Well, now we're going to adhere them inside our box. And I'm really sorry for my filming here. It's a new placement in my crafting room, and I just couldn't find the right angle to film. I hope that you can follow my instructions here. So I'm adhering my two panels that are 7 centimeters long inside my box. So here you can see them inside. And this is how your card will look like when you put it flat, so you can mail it in an envelope. So once everything is glued, that's it, you're done. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and there's another close-up of my box card. And if you did enjoy this video, hit the like button, and for more fun ideas, videos and giveaways, visit craftmadesimple.com. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day, and until next time!